Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to reply fast to your YouTube comments that you have received from your viewers. So let's say all your comments that you have received from your YouTube channel will be shown here in the notification or bell icon. So if you click on this, you can see the comments. If you just scroll down, you can see the comments. What are the comments that you have received from your YouTube viewers? So if you want to reply to this particular comment, what you have to do is, if you don't have the plugin, you have to click on this command and it will take you to the video watch page, YouTube video watch page, and from there you have to scroll down and you have to find this particular command and you have to hit the reply button and you have to send a reply to this particular command that you have received from your YouTube viewer. But if you have this plugin, it will give you an option reply. So here you can send whatever the reply that you want to receive. So for example, here I have received thank you so much. I just need to hit the reply button, that's it. So you can see the message comment posted and it will be posted on that particular video. So it make the process very simple and save your time. So that's all about this video. Thank you for watching. I will catch you in the next video.